I'm Vivek Agarwal. I'm a chartered accountant, company secretary in LLB. And in this video, we will be discussing section 269 ST, 269 ST, which provides several restrictions on receipt of cash. Section 269 ST was introduced by Finance Act 2017. This came into effect from 1st April 2017. This section prohibits receipt of cash of an amount equal to or more than 2 lakhs. So if you want to receive cash, you can receive less than 2 lakhs. You cannot receive 2 lakhs also. You cannot receive more than 2 lakhs also. So if you want to receive cash, the amount of cash should be less than 2 lakhs. If you want to receive 2 lakhs or above, we have to receive that amount only through account pay check or bank draft or ECS, etc. Other payment modes which were notified later on, we will discuss in the video when we go further. So basically section 269 ST talks about Finance Act. Section 269 ST talks about the restriction on cash transactions. This was introduced from 1st April 2017. So if you want to receive cash, you can receive below 2 lakhs. For 2 lakhs and above amount, it has to be routed through specified payments only. So if section 269 ST is violated, then what would be the penalty? The penalty would be the amount of transaction. Suppose you have received cash of 5 lakhs, then the penalty will be also equal to 5 lakhs. So the penalty will be equal to the amount of transaction you are incurring. Now section 269 ST. Section 269 ST talks about no person shall receive an amount of 2 lakhs rupees or more. No person shall receive an amount of 2 lakhs rupees or more. So the limit is below 2 lakhs. Many of the SSCs think that the limit is 2 lakhs. No, the limit is not 2 lakhs. The limit is 1,99,999. So the limit is below 2 lakhs. Now let us discuss the first condition. We talked about section 269 ST, that no person shall receive an amount of 2 lakhs rupees or more. A person can receive cash below 2 lakhs. Now what are the conditions? In section 269 ST, there are basically 3 conditions. The first condition is that no person shall receive an amount of 2 lakhs rupees or more in aggregate from a single person in a single day. No person shall receive an amount of 2 lakhs or more in aggregate from a single person in a single day. Let us try to understand it. Example, X sold goods to Y amounting to 3 lakhs. So the transaction value is more than 2 lakhs or greater than or equal to 2 lakhs. Now X received 6 installments of 50,000 each in a single day. What happens now? What are the conditions of section 269 ST? There should be a single person. The single person is Y. Single day, yes, this condition is also fulfilled. Whether the amount is greater than or equal to 2 lakhs? Yes. So now if X receives amount of this transaction in cash, then he will be violating section 269 ST, because the condition here is no person shall receive an amount of 2 lakhs rupees or more in aggregate from a single person in a single day. So X has received from Y, single person, on a single day, and aggregate amount is greater than or equal to 2 lakhs. So if X receives in cash, then section 269 ST will be attracted. Now coming to the second condition. Second condition talks about receiving cash in respect of a single transaction. Receiving cash in respect of a single transaction. So cash receipts of 2 lakhs rupees or more which are related to a single transaction are prohibited. Cash receipts of 2 lakhs rupees or more which are related to a single transaction are prohibited. Let us continue our earlier example. X sold goods to Y amounting to 3 lakhs. Now X receives the payment in multiple installments and multiple days also. In the earlier example, X had received the payment in multiple installments on a single day. Now, if it is a single day, then provisions of or condition of clause A is violated. If X receives the payment on multiple days, even then the condition of clause B is also violated. Now coming to the third condition, the third condition says that no person shall receive an amount of 2 lakhs rupees or more in respect of transactions relating to one event or occasion from a person. One event or occasion. Now in this condition, one event or occasion is covered. For example, there is an event organizer and the event organizer issues separate bills for a marriage event. So what are the conditions? Separate bills are issued, separate days payment is received, but all these are related to a single event, which is the marriage function. Hence, even then, section 269 ST is violated. Another important condition is that this cash transactions limit, that is section 269 ST, this section is applicable on the receiver and not the payer. So the person who is paying the amount is not covered here. The person who is receiving the amount. So the recipient has to be very careful that he should not receive cash of 2 lakhs rupees or more. He should receive the cash below 2 lakhs. So let us do a quick recap of the section once. Yeah, we were talking about section 269 ST, that no person shall receive an amount of 2 lakhs rupees or more in aggregate from a single person and single day. Like if X is selling goods to Y amounting to 3 lakhs, and so Y is a single person here. So the conditions here are Y is a single person, single day, and the amount is more than 2 lakhs. The amount is greater than or equal to 2 lakhs. Then 269 ST is attracted. So single person, single day is the first condition. Next condition is single person, multiple days with respect to the single transaction. Even that person is covered here. Even that condition is covered here. In the first example here, in the first condition, in aggregate from a single person in a single day. Suppose X sold goods to Y amounting to 3 lakhs. There is another transaction where X sold to Y amounting to 5 lakhs. There is another transaction where it is 10 lakhs. Or X sold to Y amounting to 50,000. X sold to Y amounting to 1 lakh. X sold to Y amounting to another 1 lakh. So individually the different transactions are below 2 lakhs. But in aggregate, if you see, in aggregate it is touching 2 lakhs, or it is becoming 2,50,000. Hence, we have to be very careful here. It says that single person in a single day, even though there are multiple transactions. If there are multiple transactions, single person, single day, if X is receiving cash from that person, then he has to ensure that the limit of 2 lakhs is followed. So this condition talks about single person and a single day, even though multiple transaction. The second condition talks about single transaction. So the single person, single transaction, multiple days is also covered. So if the payment is received in multiple days, the payment is received on multiple days, even then the transaction is covered here. I repeat, the first condition is single person, single day, even if multiple transactions are covered. Second condition, single person, single transaction, multiple days. I'll just write it down. Here it is, single person plus single person plus single day. We have to be careful with this. This is condition A. Now condition B is what? Condition B is single person plus single transaction. Single person is common here. So just to do a further more recap, just a second. Yeah. Just to do a further more recap on this, what we can say is that this single person is common. Single person is common. Single person, if it is single day, then condition A is violated. If it is single transaction, then condition B is violated. So single person is common. Single person is common. If it is single day, condition of A is to be checked. If single transaction, then condition of B is to be checked. Now the third condition comes to one event or occasion in respect of transactions relating to one event or occasion. Here it says single person plus single event is covered here. So if you see all the three conditions that we have, so just to summarize our discussion, single person is common. Single person in the sense the payer. The payer should be one person. The payer should be one person. So suppose X is receiving money from Y. So we are talking about Y. We are talking about Y. Y should be a single person, right? So now, if X is receiving amount from Y in a single day, which is equal to or more than 2 lakhs, then condition A is violated. If X is receiving from Y for a single transaction, even though on multiple days, even then condition B is violated. Third, if X is receiving from Y for a single event, even then the condition C is violated. So single person, we mean the payer here. The section is applicable on the recipient. The section is applicable on the recipient, right? So the recipient has to ensure that he or she does not, or the recipient should not receive cash of 2 lakhs rupees or more from a single person who is the payer on a single day, for a single transaction or a single event. I repeat, the recipient must ensure that the recipient does not receive amount from a single person, which is Y, the payer, on a single day, for a single transaction or a single event. This is the summary of section 279 ST. Other conditions we'll discuss in next video. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, please do hit the like button. If you have any queries, you can mention the queries in the comments below, and consider subscribing to the channel for more latest videos. Thank you.